Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 24 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 1018. Binary prefix divisible by 5. So in this problem you are given a binary array nums 0 indexed and we define x of I as the number whose binary representation is the subarray from nums of 0 to I, right? From most significant bit to least significant bit, right? So if you see this example, if your nums is like this, right? So x of 0 is nothing but just this one. X of 1 is nothing but this 1 0, right? So 1 0. And x of 2 is nothing but 1 0 1, right? 1 0 1. And this x of 0 is nothing but just this single one, right? So now here in binary form, right? So if you write this 1 0 here, so you are going to get nothing but 2, right? This is nothing but 2, right? This is nothing but 2 only, so that is why 2. And here 1 0 1, so 1 0 1 if you write, right? Okay, so 1 0 1, so 4 plus 1 5, right? So this is how we write in binary form, right? 5 in binary form is nothing but 1 0 1, right? Right, clear? So we have to return an array of booleans answer where answer of I is true if x of I is divisible by 5. Okay, this is what actually we need to do, right? Very easy problems, right? So here first see this. Initially we have just 0, right? Initially we have just 0. So how I'm going to write this? This bit value is just 1, right? So 1 into 0 is 0, right? So 0 is divisible by 5, right? So that is why we are returning true. Okay, done. After that we have 0 1, right? 0 1. And here if I write in binary form, like this bit value is 1, this bit value is 2, right? So here see, only this is set, right? 1 into 1 plus this is not set, 0 into 2. So what I'm getting just 1. So 1 is not divisible by 5, so I'm returning false. After that we have 0 1 1, right? 0 1 1. So this bit value is 1, this bit value is 2, this bit value is 4. So what I'm going to get? I'm going to get 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 4. So that is nothing but I will get 3, right? And 3 is divisible by 5, no, so I'm returning false. Okay, now here if you notice one thing, initially we have just this one, right? Then this 0 is shifted to here, right? This 0 is shifted to here, right? And then we add this new number 1 here, right? Same way, if you see this, initially we have here, then this both complete is shifted to here, and then we have added this one in the end, right? This is what we are doing, right? So here let's see one pattern. Okay, so initially let's suppose you have just 1, so output is 1 only, right? Now if you shift this 1, let's say here, right, and here let's say you add 0, so now what is the output? So output is nothing but in this case it is 2, right? Same way here, if you shifted 1 0 here and add one more 0 here, right? Initially this, then initially this for this one. So here now what you are going to get? 1 2 4. 4 is output, right? Bit value, right? Same way here again, this complete pick, put it here, and here add one more 0, let's say, right? So what I'm getting 8. So see here, every time if I multiply this with 2, right? 1 into 2 I'm getting 2, 2 into 2 I'm getting 4, 4 into 2 I'm getting 8, right? So every time whenever this thing is shifted, I'm just multiplying it with 2, right? I am multiplying it with 2, right? So here same way here, if you see, we have what? We have 0, then we have one case 0 1, and we have one case 0 1 1, right? These three cases are there. So initially I'm going to get 0. Next time this 0, multiply it with the 2 and add this 1, so I'm going to get 1. After that we are adding this new one now, right? Previous time it is 1, so 1 into 2 plus add this 1, I'm going to get 3, right? So this is actually what we are getting. The input numbers in binary are 0 0 1 0 1 1, which are 0 1 and 3 in base 10. Only the first number is divisible by 5, so answer of 0 is true. That's it. This is actually what we need to do, right? Clear na this thing, right? So here let's take this example, 1 1 1, right? So this, initially I have just this one, then after that I have 2 1, and after that here we have 3 ones, like this and then this and then this, right? So initially this is just 1. Here when I'm moving 1 to one shift, right, I'm doing one shift to this side, left shift I'm doing actually, so I can write it as 1 into 2 plus 1. Here what I'm going to get first for this 2 plus 1, that is number 3. So this is actually correct, this is 3 only, right? This is 1 only. Now for this one, so these two I shifted, right? So I can, if I'm shifting these two, left shift I'm doing, right? So I can simply do now 3 into 2 plus this new one, right? So I will get 7, and this is correct now. This bit value is 1, this bit value is 2, this bit value is 4, so I'm getting correct, and all are not divisible by 5 completely, right? So I'm returning false here, false here, false here, right? Clear? And I am doing left shift, right? I am doing left shift, so you can simply multiply it with 2, or you can do one thing, you can just take whatever the value you have and just do left shift by 1, right? That also you can do. So if I do here, if you see, after 2 I'm getting 4 now. So here if I left shift 2 by 1, so what I get 2, how you write? You write 2 like this. Now left shift by the 1, you are going to get something like this, which is nothing but 4 also. So you can do this, or you can do this 2 into 2, or you can left shift 1. Okay, both are good, you can do anything. Okay, this is done, right? Now here one more thing, num's total length is from 1 to 10 to 5, right? And if I am just going to do the multiplication is like this only, definitely my digit will go very large, right? So I may get overflow error, right? If I get very big digit, right? So there are chances that I will get overflow error, right? To overcome this error, right? So uh, let's say this is a big number. Right now this is not a big number, but I'm just saying that let's say this is a big number. So tell me, if I divide this 13 with 5, I'm going to get 3 as the remainder, right? Okay, so let's say I get this 13 like this. To make it a 13, right, overall number is 13 now. So let's say you make it 13 by adding 11, right? So 2 plus 11 is 13, right? So if you do 11 modulus with 5, what you are going to get? You are going to get 1. There 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3 only. So in this way also I'm getting 3, and if I just do the 13 overall with 5, I'm also getting 3, right? So what I'm saying here, I don't need to reach until 13. Okay, if in layman terms, if I say, I don't need to go until 13, I just need to store the remainder, right? 2, and then just take the next number and then calculate the remainder 3. Now next time, let's say in 13, let's say I have added 4, so I'm going to get 17. I know that if I do 17 modulus with 5, I'm going to get remainder as 2, right? But I'm not going to reach until this very big number, right? So I know 3, right? I know 3 is the remainder as of now, and 3 is the remainder as of now, and let's say after that I add 4, right? So what I'm going to do, plus 4 modulus with 5, right? So 3 plus 4, right? 3 plus 4, I'm going to get, again, just do the modulus. So I'm going to get 7 modulus with 5, I will get 2 again, right? So actually this is how I'm going to maintain. I'm just going to deal with the remainders. I'm not planning to go with the big numbers, right? So this is the plan. Okay, so let me show you how I'm going to handle it in the code. Okay, so here just create one list, and here you can write boolean, right? And just name it as list is equal to new array list, right? And here just take remainder value. Initially you can take it 0, and then just iterate over all the numbers in nums one by one, right? And here how you are going to do that. Okay, so let's understand that, right? So first of all, you have this remainder, right? So remainder you can just update it as here just write remainder into 2, that's what I'm saying, right? Plus current number, right? And just take the overall modulus with 5 every time, right? In the list we have to add the true and false. So here I'm just going to add, if my remainder is equal to 0, I'm going to add true, otherwise I'm going to return false. And here I'm just going to return what? Return list. That's it, right? Now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. So see, all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And the time complexity for this problem is going to be O of n, right? And you can also do it like this. Okay, now if you submit it again, so see, again our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in the comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Until the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.